Hi everyone, this is Antonio Fischetti, and I'm going to give a quick update on what's going on with XorTime project. And I'm currently working on this page, which is the page which shows all the projects that you have set. And I already made some improvements. You see here, this is the pie chart where all the items are pre-ordered, are sorted out, and so I think it's more readable now, starting from the biggest down to the slowest one. But most of all, I'm working on the second part here. This is the list of active projects, but you see, it's basically a sort of a replication of what is already displayed here. So I wanted to give some more added value to this page because I think this is useful, especially this is a useful page where you can have a look on how much time you have spent on each of your projects. So, for example, sometimes you know you're working on some project, but you think you didn't spend enough time on that, or you're just at the beginning. But when you go to this page, you may be surprised to see, oh, this is 25 hours, for example. I thought it was less, really less than this. Or, for example, I've spent 110 hours on this project, and I really surprised about that. So this is really useful, especially if you are working as a freelancer, for example. And so I thought to basically replace this part entirely. I was thinking to, for example, show some sort of histogram where you can select one of these projects um, and have displayed how much time you have spent for any single day on that project and the overall count, this kind of things. So I'm going to show now preview of what's going on, the current state of the art. This is not the final thing you will see when this will be published. So I'm showing you now. This is take it as a preview. This is a debugging version, and in this page, oh, let me remove this. In this page now, you see. Now let's compare the two versions. This is the new one. Don't mind the colors, these are just for debugging. So what I have here, I replaced this list of active projects with this histogram. This histogram refers to one of the projects. I can, for example, this is Mercedes 720, and this is starting from 14th of January up to today. So I can have a look day by day on how much time I've spent on this project within this interval of time, and this is the total time. I can change, for example, I can switch to another project. For example, I want to have a look on this Porsche 990, for example. These are fake values, of course. I can select which project I want to show and the time interval, for example, from the 2nd of February up to uh, yesterday. So in this case, I'm looking these other values, and the total time is this one. and these are the bars which represents how much time I've spent on this project. I think this is something better than what we had in the past. So this is what is happening, and this will be the next feature that will come with the version 232.3, I guess. And that's it. If you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to write them down this video in the section below, and I'll be happy to go through all of them and reply. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.